Hello guys, you're welcome to my complete Java course. This video is a continuation of operators in Java. So in the previous two videos lecture, we have learned the unary operator and arithmetic operator. In this video lecture, we learn string concatenation operator. So let's start. The only overloaded operator in Java is plus operator. Sometimes it is work as a arithmetic addition operator and sometimes it's work as a string concatenation operator. Example, okay, here we have defined integer a with value 10, integer b with value 20 and integer c with value 30 and string d Siam. And if we try to add this variable with different combination, then we will get the result differently. Let's see. If we add a plus b plus c plus d, then the output will be 60 and Siam. If we add a plus b plus d plus c, then we will get the output a plus b, which is 10 plus 20 is 30, then d, which is Siam, and then 30. In the same way, if we add d plus a plus b plus c, then the output will be 10, 20, 30. And if we add a plus d plus b plus c, then the output will be 10, Siam, 20 and 30. If you are thinking that why this happening, why the result is not coming 60 Siam, the reason is that if at least one operand is string type, then plus operator act as a string concatenation operator. If both operand is number type, then plus operator act as a arithmetic operator. And the system.out.println, this function is evaluated from left to right. Okay, now go back. So left, if you see from the left to right, then a plus b is the integer type, then it will be add again a plus b result is 30, then 30 plus c, which is 30, this is also integer, so it will become 60, then it will add the Siam. In the next, a plus b, both operand is integer type, so it will add, which is a plus b is 30, then the next operand is d. So integer operand plus string operand will become a string operand. So the result will be 30 Siam, 30 Siam. And the next 30 Siam will add with C, which is integer type, but if one operand is string type and second operand is integer type, then the plus operator work as a string type. So the result will be 30 Siam and 30. Here d plus a, d is a string type and a is an integer type. Then the d plus a will be Siam 10. And after that, if you add b, then you are adding Siam 10 with 20. So it will add as a string type. Now you are adding Siam 10, 20 with the 30. So the plus operator work as a string concatenation. That is why the result is this format. Okay, if you are in this case, if you are trying to assign a plus b, a plus b is an integer type a and b, and you are trying to add b plus c. Here b is a integer type and C is a string type, and you are trying to assign a integer type which is A, then you will get the compile time error, incompatible type, found string required int. Let's see with the practical. Suppose if you define integer A equal to 4, integer B equal to 5, and string str equal to Syam. Then if you trying to assign A equal to B plus C and try to run it, yeah, you will get an unresolved compilation problem. C cannot be resolved to a variable. Sorry, you will add str. Okay. Now you will get a unresolved compilation problem which is cannot convert from string to int. Okay, and now let's see the practical example with the previous example. Like if we define int C equal to 10 and int D equal to 30. Okay, and now if you will try to print A plus B plus C plus D, yeah, the output will be 49. Okay, if you try to A plus D plus C plus B, okay, sorry, plus str. Okay, if you are trying to add the str at the end, you will get the output 49 then Syam. But if you add this in the middle, like if you add here, so the operand resolution will be from left to, sorry, yeah, the result will be 34 Syam 10. How? Because first it will add A and D. A is 4, D is 30, so it will become 34. Then 34 will add with the Syam, so it will become 34 Syam. Okay, now 34 Syam, now it is string type. Then you will add a C, so it will become 34 Syam 10. Okay, that's why the output will be 34 Syam 10. If you add this str in the starting, so first operand is string type and second one is int type, so then it will become Syam 4, and after that all operand will be added as a string type, because if any one operand is string type plus operator work as a string concatenation. Okay, that's why the result will be Syam 4, 30, 5 and 10. Okay, now move for the next thing. So next operator is relational operator. So this operator we learn in the next video lecture. Till now, bye, and we'll learn new things in the next video lecture. I hope you enjoyed this video lecture and you learned some new knowledge about the string concatenation operator.